Y'all know what to do. Smash the like button. Let's get this video to 40 likes. Can we do it? Yes, we can. So smash the like button and subscribe if you're new to the channel and turn on post notifications so you don't miss every time I put a new video. But than that, enjoy the rest of the video. yeah, everybody, that wraps the video. Like I said in the beginning, can we get this into 40 likes? Yes, we can. So smash the like button. I'd really appreciate it, and it really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. So smash the like button and subscribe if you're new to the channel, and share this video with your friends and tell them to subscribe because it helps out with the channel massively. And comment with shout out to join. Don't forget to comment because I reply back to every single comment. Here's Ichigo Kurosaki from Bleach. Hopefully you enjoyed as much as I did. This is the first time that I've drawn Ichigo, and I honestly really love how the outcome came out. So hopefully you enjoyed as much as I did. I am so excited to make more Bleach drawings, and if you are too, smash the like button to let me know. I'm going to be leaving my drawing playlist in the description, which I highly recommend that you check out because I'm sure you'll find some anime characters that I've drawn before that you really like, so make sure to check it out. It's going to be in the description. But yeah, everybody, hope you all enjoyed it. Make sure to stay safe. Until next time, everybody, peace.